Hey, this is Rick with Social Good Software. In this demo, I'm going to be walking you through the process of deleting a calendar, and then I'll share with you more details about what happens when you actually delete the calendar. So let's head over to Calendar Builder here, and we're going to be deleting the calendar for general admissions. So if you've been following along, we've been building up this general daily admissions calendar. And what we're going to be doing is we're just going to simply be deleting this calendar today. So I'm going to head over here into settings, and then what I want to do here is I want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to see this red button called delete calendar. Now if you go ahead and click on the button delete calendar, it's not going to go ahead and delete it for you. It's going to prompt you first. It's going to ask you, do you really want to delete this calendar? You're about to delete this calendar. By deleting the calendar, all the events attached to the calendar will also be deleted. Events deleted from the calendar will not modify or alter its data. If the calendar is embedded into any web pages, you need to notify the web administrators to remove the embed code with the ID, and then we give you the ID for the calendar, and then this action cannot be undone. So it's very important before you click on that button that you're aware of this. So if anyone on your team has embedded this calendar into a website, if they are using the Outlook integration or have it set up with Google Calendar, I would highly recommend you that you reach out to them and you tell them that this calendar will no longer be available, and please remove it from the site. Please remove it from Outlook. It's no longer going to be outputting data. Now it's very important to do that, otherwise you're going to be getting errors on the calendar itself because there is no calendar to report back on. And then finally, the last part here is once you click on the delete calendar, this will also delete all the system logs for this specific calendar. So all the data downloads, all of the API requests, all of that information is going to get deleted. So if you want to keep that information for auditing purposes, then I will recommend you not to delete the calendar. So it's very important that once you click this delete calendar, you understand that all of those parts are going to be removed from the calendar. I'm okay with that because I have a backup of my query, I have a backup of my data, so I'm not too worried about deleting this calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and click on delete calendar, and that's going to go ahead and remove the calendar here. I don't have any other calendars to show, so it's actually just going to go ahead and remove that one calendar. So if you had more calendars, you'll be able to see them here. But we've only been working on one calendar, so we just deleted the one calendar. So that's how easy it is to be able to remove calendars from the calendar builder. You can add up as many calendars as you want. So if you want to restart again and start over from scratch, you're more than welcome to do that here. Just click on the create calendar and you start all over again. So that's going to do it here for me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.